Now paper number 668. Paper number 68, question number 66 to 70. Now in this question number 66 to 70, these 5 comes on which category? Distribution, isn't it? How many persons are there? 7 people, A, B, C, D, E, F and G have phones of different brands. Nokia, Sony, Samsung and so on, 7 different brands were given. And at the same time, each one of them is from a different state. 7 different states were also clearly given, isn't it? And 7 brands and 7 different places. Hence, now as they are different to each other, it comes under regular parameter distribution, 2 parameter distribution. Now first in this distribution, now we need to identify, we need to fix the persons at the one other place, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Then we need to represent the data given now in the given 2 parameters. Then tell me what is the first information in this. Now D has a Sony phone. As D has a Sony phone, now we are writing Sony at this place. This is the fixed information. And next one, D has a Sony phone and A is from Gujarat. A is from Gujarat. Tell me what is the place here. Now the place Gujarat is fixed at this place. A is Gujarat. The one from Rajasthan has an HTC phone. HTC and Rajasthan must be together. HTC and Rajasthan, isn't it? Then as of now we cannot represent the data regarding HTC. HTC can be A, B, C, E, F or G. And the one from Rajasthan has an HTC phone. E has a Lenovo. E has a Lenovo. Now we are fixing this one Lenovo. And E has a Lenovo phone and is from Kerala. The place is also clearly given and is from Kerala. And next one, B does not have a Samsung, Micromax or HTC. Now B cannot have Samsung, isn't it? And Samsung, next one, Micromax and HTC. Samsung, Micromax and HTC. Now these 3 were ruled out to this B. B does not have a Samsung, Micromax or HTC. And phone B, HTC phone, B is not from Orissa, Maharashtra and Punjab. Now this B is not from Orissa, Maharashtra or Punjab. And these 3 states were ruled out. Orissa, Maharashtra and Punjab. Okay. Now cross. Orissa, Maharashtra and Punjab and these were cross. And next one. What is the next information here? And F is not from Maharashtra and Rajasthan. F, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Now this is also ruled out. And next one, G, A and F do not have Micromax. A do not have Micromax, isn't it? And A do not have Micromax, and A, G and F. Now F do not have Micromax and G do not have Micromax. Now these 3 persons do not have Micromax. Then C is not from Maharashtra and Orissa. C, Maharashtra and Orissa ruled out. Maharashtra cannot be here and Orissa is also cannot be here. Cannot be Maharashtra and Orissa. F does not have a Samsung and Nokia. F does not have Samsung and Nokia. Hence, Micromax, next one Samsung and Nokia. Now all these were cross and cross. Done with this, this is what the information we have. And now let us check out this microphone. Now this Micromax, A cannot have Micromax. Now this B cannot have Micromax. And at the same time, and whatever this C here, C can have Micromax. D cannot have Micromax, E cannot have Micromax, F and G cannot have Micromax. Now tell me who is the person who owns this Micromax? Only C. Now C Micromax is fixed. As C Micromax is fixed here, then Micromax, Sony and Lenovo were done. Now we are left with what? Now Samsung and Samsung. Now Samsung cannot be, now HDC if you observe here. Now HDC A cannot own HDC because if this A is from HDC, A owns HDC, he must be from Rajasthan. Hence, A HDC is ruled out, and B cannot own HDC. C, D, and E cannot own HDC. And at the same time, then whatever this F and G, F and G. Now, F cannot own HDC. Why? Because if F is HDC, then he must be from Rajasthan. As this F is not from Rajasthan, hence this G must own HDC. As this G owns HDC, now G is here, now this G owns HDC, and what is the place here? The place is Rajasthan. Done with this? Now, sir, Micromax, Sony, Lenovo, and HDC were done, and this person F cannot have Samsung and Nokia. As Samsung and Nokia, this person cannot have Samsung and Nokia. Then what is the only thing left over here? And this person must own Lava. As this person owns Lava, and the remaining two are what? And Samsung. Now this B cannot have own Samsung, as this B cannot own Samsung. Hence whatever this B, B must own Nokia. If this B owns Nokia, then what is the other thing left over here? Now this A must own Samsung. Done with this? Now A, B, C, D, F, and G, Samsung, Nokia, Micromax, Sony, Lenovo, Lava, and HDC, these were done. Then coming to the places here, Rajasthan, Kerala were done. Now Gujarat also done. The next one, Maharashtra and Orissa. Now this C cannot be from Maharashtra, and this Maharashtra and Orissa cannot be C. And again, and next one, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Now this person cannot be from Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Maharashtra cannot be here. Then what is the other information we have? Now regarding this B, we have some more information, isn't it? Yes, tell me what is the information here. B does not have Samsung, Micromax, and HDC. And B is not from Orissa, Maharashtra, and Punjab. And B is Orissa, Maharashtra, is Punjab. B, Orissa, Maharashtra, Punjab is ruled out. Orissa, Maharashtra, Punjab, three were ruled out. And Gujarat, Kerala, Rajasthan is also ruled out. Then what is the only thing left over here? Bihar. Hence this B is from Bihar. Done with this? As this B is from Bihar and Maharashtra, this person C cannot be from Maharashtra, and F also cannot be from Maharashtra. Hence this D is from Maharashtra. If this D is from Maharashtra and this C cannot be from Orissa, hence F is from Orissa. If F is Orissa, then what is left over here? Now this C. Now this C is from Punjab. Clear now? Now this is how these 7 persons belong to 7 different places and own 7 different brands. Then question number 66. The one who has a Nokia phone is from which state? Nokia phone is from Bihar, that is choice 2. Then question number 67. Which of the following phones does C have? Now C owns Micromax, that is choice 3. Then question number 68. And 4 of the following 5 alike in a certain way based on the given information and hence form a group. Which one does not belong to that group? A, Samsung, and E, Lenovo, that is also true. F, Lava is true, and G, Nokia, that is false, and C, Micromax is true, choice 4. Then question number 69. Who among the following is from Punjab? Yes, tell me who is from Punjab here. Now C is from Punjab, that is choice 1. Then question number 70. Now 70th, and the one who is from Orissa has which are the following phones? Orissa has which are the following phones here? Lava. Lava, that is choice 3. Now this is about question number 66 to 70. Done? Then 71 to 75. This 71 to 75 comes under which category? Input and output. Now in this input and output, tell me how many elements are given in the input here. Now input we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 elements, isn't it? Now ten elements. Now in total we have some 10 elements. Then followed by how many steps are there? 9 steps are there. 9 steps are there, 10 elements, which implies that in each step exactly 1 element has been arranged. Then if you observe here, then what is the logic here? 15, 24, 49, 51, 83. All the numbers are arranged in the ascending order, followed by fail, grade, hash, C and S. Now the words in the ascending order. Numbers in the ascending order followed by words in the alphabetical order. Then after that we need to find out the pattern followed in this. Now compare input and step 1. Yes, what is the only change we can have? Now 83. 83, the highest number arranged at the last place. And this is in step 1. And in step 2, 83 shifted to the next place and fail arranged at the last place, isn't it? And after this 83 and fail. And in the third step, tell me what is happening in this third step here? The previous number to 83 is 51 arranged, isn't it, to the left hand side of 83. And next one, now to the right hand side of fail, great. That means from here onwards to the left hand side, the numbers in the descending order, and to the right hand side, the all words in the alphabetical order are arranged. And in such a way, and further they will be shifted to the next hand side position. Now this is how these elements were shifted in 9 steps. Done with this? Then all the remaining, now input, all the 5 questions are based on the same input. Now we need to write down all the steps. Done? And this is about question number 71 to 75. Then 76 to 80. Now in this 76 to 80, how many people are there? 7 people. As who are those 7 people? J, K, L, M, N, O, and P, like different TV channels, 7 different TV channels, and each one of them lives in a different city. 7 different cities were there. And this again comes under distribution and different parameters, hence only 2 parameters were there. Hence first we need to fix the persons. And tell me who are the persons here? J, and the persons are J, K, L, M, N, O, and P. And are the 7 persons? Then 7 persons. Now these 7 persons like 7 different channels. And what is the other information we have? And at the same time, and they belongs to different places. And M likes a star, M likes a star, and star here it is fixed. M likes a star and lives in Nagpur. Now the city Nagpur is also fixed here, M and Nagpur. And next one, J likes a studio, J likes a studio, and the first one is J likes a studio, studio must be J, and does not live in Chennai, Patna and Jaipur. Hence Chennai, Patna and Jaipur is ruled out to this J. Are you following this one or not? Chennai, Patna and Jaipur, hence put a cross. And the one who likes G lives in Gurgaon. Now G lives in which place? Lives in Gurgaon. The one who likes G lives in Gurgaon, either it could be K, L, and O, P. And next one, N does not like life, G and Sony. N, who is this person? N does not like life. And what is the other thing here? Sony, life, G and Sony. Life, Sony and G were ruled out to this person. Life, Sony and G. Life cannot be here, Sony and G. And star and studio were also ruled out. And 5 were ruled out among these 7. And N does not like life, G and Sony. N does not live in Mumbai and Chennai. Now this N, Mumbai and Chennai, now this is also ruled out. P does not like G, Sony, Max and life. And P, G, Sony, Max, life were ruled out. At the same time, studio and star is also ruled out. Then what else is left over here? Only one is left over and it is nothing but KF. Are you following this one or not? And if P is KF, then again come back to N. Now this N does not like N. Before this one, N does not like life, G and Sony. Life, G and Sony were ruled out. Studio, star and KF were also ruled out. 6 were ruled out. Now we are left with only one. What is that one? Max. And this N likes Max. Are you following this one or not? Now finally, N likes Max. Then, what is the next information here? P does not like. The one who likes life does not live in Chennai. Life does not live in Chennai. Life does not live in Chennai. As of now, we have not fixed this life. Hence, life and Chennai is ruled out. and life does not live in Chennai. L, O and P do not live in Chennai. L is Chennai is ruled out, and O and P Chennai is also ruled out. Chennai cannot be here, Chennai cannot be here. Chennai cannot be O, cannot be P, isn't it? And cannot be N, because Mumbai and Chennai is ruled out, cannot be Nagpur, cannot be L. Hence K must be Chennai. Are you following this one or not? Now Chennai is fixed here. As Chennai is here, life cannot be K, because the one who likes life is not from Chennai, isn't it? Next one, L, O and P do not live in Chennai. O does not live in Mumbai, Gurgaon, Delhi and Jaipur. O, Mumbai, Gurgaon, Delhi, Jaipur, 4 are ruled out. Chennai and Nagpur were also ruled out, isn't it? And this O must be from which place? O must be from Patna. That is the only thing left over. Are you following this one or not? 4 plus 2, 6 were ruled out. Then Patna was done, and N does not live in Jaipur. N does not live in Jaipur. N cannot be Mumbai, cannot be Jaipur, and it cannot be in these 3. Then what are the things left over here? G and Gurgaon is left over. Yes, where is G and Gurgaon? Now J cannot be G, K cannot be G, L and O. O also cannot be G. And this L is now this K. And K cannot be G. Hence, whatever this one, this L must be G. Are you following this one or not? Now K cannot be G, because K, G and Gurgaon must be together. Now, if Chennai is already at this place, hence it cannot be G. As it cannot be G, L is G. If L is G, hence Gurgaon must be at this place. Now, Gurgaon is also fixed. As Gurgaon is fixed here, now coming to this one O. O is Patna and Mumbai. Then Patna, Jaipur. Patna, Jaipur and Mumbai. Then what is the other thing left over here? N does not live in Jaipur. N does not live in Mumbai, does not live in Jaipur. Mumbai, Jaipur were also ruled out. Then what is left over here? Delhi is left over. And this N is from Delhi. Clear now? N belongs to Delhi. If N is Delhi, now as of now Chennai, Gurgaon, Nagpur, Delhi, Patna were done. Now we are left with Jaipur and Mumbai. J cannot be Jaipur, hence P is from Jaipur. As P is Jaipur, then what is left over here? Mumbai is left over. And who is from Mumbai? J is from Mumbai. Done? Now J is from Mumbai. Now this is how these 7 persons, like 7 different. Then coming to this one, Studio G star Max were done. Life cannot be O, as life cannot be K, and this O likes life. If O likes life, then which is left over here? Now Sony, isn't it? Now Sony is left over, and this Sony must be K. Clear now? Now this is about question number 76 to 80. It again comes under distribution. Now the one who likes life is from which city? Life is from Gurgaon. The one who likes life, and life is Patna. Patna, that is choice 3. And 77. 4 of the following 5 is nothing but an odd man out. Chennai and Cave. Now Chennai and Cave, that is ruled out. And 4 out of the 4. Chennai and Cave. Now in between Chennai and Cave, tell me how many are there? Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 persons. Delhi and Max. Delhi and Max. Delhi is from Max. Patna life. Patna and life is also true. Nagpur and Star. Nagpur Star, that is also true. And Mumbai Studio, that is also true. Except Chennai Cave. The remaining are given in the same order. Then 78. Who among the following likes Sony? K likes Sony, that is choice 2. And 79. Who among the following lives in Mumbai? As tell me who lives in Mumbai? J, choice 2. And question number 80. Who among the following lives in Patna? Now O lives in Patna, that is choice 5. Now this is about question number 76 to 80. Then 81 to 85. Now in this question numbers 81 to 85, tell me what is the information here. Now 8 persons are seated around a circular table, but not necessarily in the same order. 8 persons circular table, not necessarily in the same order. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people. and only 2 persons face the center and the rest are faced away from the center. 2 inward, 6 are outside. And D sits with H faces outside. As H faces outside, now we are fixing H at this place. And D sits out to the right of H, hence D must be at this place. And both A and G are immediate neighbors of D. A and G are the immediate neighbors of D, A or G. Here also A and G are the immediate neighbors of D. And both A and G are immediate neighbors of D. E sits second to the left of G. As E is seated second to the left of G, now tell me whether G can be at this place or not. If G is here, then A will be here. If A is here, then B sits second to the, and E sits second to the left of G is not possible, isn't it? Hence, G cannot be at this place. Are you following this one or not? As G cannot be here, then who must be here? A. A is here and G will be here. If A and G are in these two places, then this E sits second to the left of G. E is seated second to the left of G, and this G is facing towards the center, and E sits second to the left of G, E will be here, isn't it? E sits second to the left of G. That means as of now we got G is facing towards the center. And B sits second to the right of C. B is seated second to the right of C. C is not an immediate neighbor of A. As C is not an immediate neighbor of A, now C can be either here or C can be here, isn't it? And F sits to the immediate right of A. As F is to the immediate right of A is facing towards the center, then F will be here. F sits to the immediate right of A. Then in this one, 2 persons are sitting towards the center, the remaining are away from the center, and so all the persons are away from the center only. Then the remaining 6 are away. Then C is not an immediate neighbor of A, F sits to the immediate right of. Earlier we have information regarding this one, and C is not an immediate neighbor of A, B sits second to the right of C. As B is seated second to the right of C, now C cannot be at this place. If C is here, B must be here, which is not possible. Hence C cannot be here. As C cannot be here, then where should this C? C must be at this place only C. And if C is here, now B sits second to the right of C, B must be here. Done? Now this is how these 8 persons are seated around a circular table, and out of which, and 2 persons are towards the center, and the remaining 6 are away from the center. Clear now? Then question number 81. And which of the following pairs represent the immediate neighbors of G? Immediate neighbors of G are D and C. D and C, that is choice 2. And question number 82. Which of the following is true regarding F? D sits second to the left of F. F is away from the center, D sits second to the right. It is not left. And 3 people sit between F and C. As 3 people in between F and C, definitely true, choice 3. Then question number 83. And 4 of the following 5. 4 of the following is nothing but an odd man out. And F, D, A, C and B. F, D, A, C and B, F is away, D is away, C and B are also away, except A. The remaining 4 persons are away, A is towards the center. Then 84. What is C's position with respect to A? Now A and C, 1, 2, 3, thought to the left. Thought to the left, that is choice 1. 84. Then 85. Who is seated second to the right of E? E is away, seated second to the right of E, that is H, choice 3. Clear now? Now this is about question numbers 91 to 95. Sorry, 81 to 85. Then after this 81 to 85, then question numbers 86 to 90, and it again comes under puzzle. Now 7 people, A through G, like 7 different colors, red, orange, green, yellow, purple, blue and pink, and each one of them likes a different subject, chemistry, physics, economics, history and so on, isn't it? And in total how many do we have? There are some 8. And coming to this one, 7 people, A, B, C, D, F and G, like 7 different colors, red, green, red, orange, green, yellow, purple, blue and pink. Now again 7 persons were there and 7 different subjects were there. Now we need to fix this one. Now it comes under 2 parameter, and starting from A through G, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now 7 persons. Now today this is the third puzzle based on this distribution, isn't it? Distribution that too, a 2-parameter distribution. The next one, E likes pink and physics. E likes pink and physics. Now regarding this E, information clearly specified. E likes pink and what is the subject here? Physics. E likes pink and physics. Next one, B likes green. B is green color. B likes green. C likes mathematics. Now this C likes mathematics. And the one who likes yellow also likes accounts, yellow and accounts. Now the one who likes yellow also like accounts, hence yellow and accounts must be together. And A does not like blue, orange and purple. A is what? A blue, orange and purple. Blue, orange and purple is ruled out to this A. Blue, orange, purple, green and pink were also ruled out, and now we need to identify whether yellow or not. And A does not like accounts. As A does not like accounts, A does not like yellow as well. A, yellow, blue, orange, purple, green, pink were ruled out. Yes, what is left over here? Only one more color. What is that color? Red. Hence A must like red color. And as A likes red color here, now A red is fixed. A does not like accounts, chemistry and biology. Now this person, chemistry and biology is also ruled out. Chemistry, biology. And D does not like history, biology, chemistry and economics. D, history. History, tell me the subjects here. History, biology, chemistry accounts 4. Mathematics and physics, they are 2. And in total, this person D does not like any one of these 6. Then what is the only thing left over here? Economics. And this D must like economics. D likes economics. As D likes economics here, F does not like blue, orange, yellow. Blue, orange, yellow, red, green, pink, and 6 colors, okay, do not like by this F. Then what is the only thing left over here? Purple. And this F must like purple color. F does not like blue, orange, and yellow. F does not like biology. F does not like biology, biology cannot be here, isn't it? Biology, now we need to discuss about this yellow and accounts. Now this C cannot be yellow, C cannot be D, and D cannot be yellow, and this G must like yellow. And if it is yellow, and it is accounts, yellow and accounts. Yellow accounts, now we are left with the remaining. Red, green, pink, purple, yellow are done. Then coming to this biology is not liked by F, and biology is not liked by A, and this biology must be liked by whom? B. B is biology. And chemistry and biology, and chemistry is not liked by this A, and this chemistry should be liked by whom? F, and this F must like chemistry. If F is chemistry, then what is the subject left over here? As what is the subject left over? History. And who likes history? A must like history. Then F does not like biology, D does not like blue. As D is not blue and C is blue. If C is blue, then what is left over here? And this D must be orange. Now 7 persons, 7 different colors and 7 different subjects. Now the one who likes economics likes which color? As tell me, economics likes which color here? Orange. Orange, that is given in choice 5. Then question number 87. Who among the following likes chemistry? Who likes chemistry here? Tell me. The one who likes purple, that is F likes chemistry choice 4. And 88. Who among the following likes yellow? And yellow color? Yellow color is liked by G. G, that is choice 1. Then 89. Now who among the following likes red color? A likes red color. A, that is choice 4. The next one, question number 90. And this is about question numbers 85 to 89. Next one, question number 90. Now it is a single question here. 14 people are there standing in a straight line facing north. 14 people standing in a straight line facing north is given. Then the first information. B is standing 6th from the left end of the row. As B is standing 6th from the left end of the row, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B is standing 6th from the left end of the row. And H is seated second to the right of B. H is seated second to the right of B means 8th position from the left. Only 4 people between H and K. Only 4 people between H and K. 1, 2, 3, 4. K can be here, that is one possibility. Then what is the other possibility here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is B and H. And only 4 people between H and K. 1, 2, 3, 4. And K can be here. Done? Only 4 people between H and K. Then L is thought to the left of B. L is thought to the left of B, 1, 2, 3, L must be here. Here L is thought to the left of B is not possible. Are you following this one or not? Hence only we are left with only one case. L is thought to the left of B. How many people are standing between K and the one who is seated at the extreme right end of the line? As of now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And there is one more person here. That person must be to the right hand side of K. Now the question is about how many persons are in between the person who K and the person who is from the right extreme. Hence, is there any person between these two? No. Hence, what is your answer? None, that is choice 2. There is no person in between K and the person who is at the extreme right extreme end of the line. That is choice 2 is the answer. Done with this? Then 91 to 95. Now question numbers 91 to 95. Tell me what is the information here. A, B, C, D, F and G, H are sitting around a circular table facing the center, not necessarily in the same order. Now, how many persons are there? Now in total we have some 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 persons were there. Each one of them is of a different age. 13, 16, 19, 19, 21, 24, 27, 30 and 32. And next one. And each one of them is of a different age, 13, 16, 19, 21, 24 and so on, and not necessarily in the same order. Then condition number 1, C is sitting thought to the right of B. As C is seated thought to the right of B, isn't it? Now where is C here? C is seated thought to the right of B. As all the persons are facing towards the center, now we can fix this B at this place. Now C is sitting thought to the right of B, 1, 2, 3, C will be here. C is seated thought to the right of B. And what is the next information here? The 16-year-old is seated second to the right of C. 16-year-old seated second to the right of C. Only one person sits between C and D. Only one person between C and D means, then what is the possibility here? There are 2 possibilities. Only one person between C and D. And tell me where can we take this? D can be here, that is one possibility. And in the second possibility, now the D can be 16-year-old. Are you following this one or not? Now 2 possibilities, B at this place and C is at this place. Now 16 is here. There is one person between C and D, and D can be 16-year-old. And only one person between C and D, the 32-year-old is seated thought to the left of D. Thought to the left of D, 32, hence here it is 32. And 32 is seated thought to the left of whom? Thought to the left of D. 1, 2, 3 and 32 is here. Next one. Thought to the right of, thought to the left of D. Next one, F is to the immediate left of C. F is to the immediate left of C. Now in this case, first case F is here, and second case F is 32-year-old. And F is to the immediate left of C. 3 people between F and A. Now among these 8 persons, 3 persons is nothing but they are opposite to each other, and F and A are opposite, and 3 persons between F and A. And the 24-year-old is seated second to the left of A. 24-year-old is seated second to the left of A. This is 24. Here 24-year-old is seated second to the left of A. 24-year-old is seated second to the left of A. And E is seated second to the right of H. E is seated second to the right of H. Tell me where to fix this one, E and H. E is seated second to the right of H. E is seated second to the right of H. As this is the only possibility we have, E is here, H is here. E is seated second to the right of H. Now in this one also E is seated second to the right of H, E and H must be here. Are you following this one or not? Then who is the person left over here? A, B, C, D, E, F, and H, G is the person left over, and G is 24-year-old in the first case. And in the second case also G is 24-year-old. And next one, E is seated second to the right of H, and the one who is the youngest is third to the left of G. Youngest means 13-year-old. 13-year-old is third to the left of G. And G is 13-year-old, that means D is 13, and G is E is 13-year-old, third to the left of G. Next one, E is seated second, third to the left, 32-year-old. The one who is the youngest is the third to the left of G. The 32-year-old and 27-year-old are immediate neighbors. 32 and 27 are adjacent. Now in this case 32 and 27, E is 27. Now in this case 32 and 27 are adjacent, hence C is 27. Done? 32 and 27. The one who is the third youngest is an immediate neighbor of E. Third youngest means what are the ages here? 19-year-old. Now this 19-year-old is an immediate neighbor of E. And 19-year-old is an immediate neighbor of E, E and 19. Now this E and 19, E is here, now this B must be 19. E and 19, it also B is 19. F is younger than C. F is younger than C. What is the age of this one? Now F is younger than C. What is left over here? 13. Yes, tell me what are the ages left over? Now 21 and 30. Now between 21 and 30, F is younger than C. F is 21 and C is 30. But as here, F is 32 and C is 27. But as F is elder than C, but not the youngest, and the second case is completely ruled out. Hence, we are left with only one case. And question number 91. Which of the following statements is true regarding E? Regarding E, 3 people are seated between 21-year-old and E. 21-year-old and E, 3 persons, that is ruled out. Then second, and E is the second eldest among all the people. E is the second eldest among the people. Is it true or false? That is false. Second eldest is C but not E. And E is an immediate neighbor of G. E and G are adjacent to each other, that is also false. And E is seated to the immediate right of B. E is to the immediate right of B, this is also false. And none of the given choices, that is choice 5. 91. How many people are seated between B and the one who is the eldest? B and the eldest, and eldest when counted from the left of B. Counted from the left of B, B and the eldest, there is only one person, that is E. Then 93. Who among the following is 24-year-old? Yes, tell me who is 24-year-old here? G, choice 2. Then 24, and what is H's age? And H is 16-year-old, that is choice 1. Then 95, and what is H's position with respect to the 21-year-old? And H's position with respect to 21-year-old, 1, 2, 3, third to the right. Third to the right, that is choice 2. Now this is about question numbers 91 to 95. Clear? Then after this 91 to 95, question numbers 96 to 100. 96 to 100. Now this again comes under a puzzle. Now in this one, how many people are there? 10 people are seated in 2 parallel rows containing 5 people each, in such a way that there is an equal distance between adjacent persons. Now 10 people. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then tell me who are the persons in row 1. In row 1, A, B, C, D and E, and all of them are facing towards south, A through E. And in row 2, and who are the persons in row 2? And P, Q, R, S and T. P, Q, R, S and T are the persons who are facing towards north. And therefore, in the arrangement, each member in a row faces another member. P sits third to the left of T. As P is seated third to the left of T, how many possibilities? P is seated third to the left of T, one is one possibility. And in the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And P is seated third to the left of T. Now P is here, T is here. Either P can be at the left extreme or T can be at the right extreme. And so how many possibilities? 2 possibilities. And C faces one of the immediate neighbors of T. As C is facing one of the immediate neighbors of T, and C is facing one of the immediate neighbors of C, C can be here or here. T's opposite adjacent is C, and C faces one of the immediate neighbors of T. Only two people between C and A. As only two people between C and A, if C is here, two people between C and A is not possible. Hence, C cannot be here, and C must be at this corner. And at this end, two people between C and A is here. Now, here also two people between C and A is here. The person who faces A sits second to the left of S. Now, this person is seated second to the left of S, but whereas that person is seated second to the left of T rather than S, and this case is completely ruled out. Now, we are left with this. The person A and the person faces A sits second to the left of S, and S must be here. Person faces A sits second to the left of S. Q does not face C. Q cannot be here. Q is here. If Q is here, P, Q are S and T. And D sits second to the left of B. As D is seated second to the left of B, this is D and this is B, and the person left over is A is left over. Done? Now, this is how these 10 persons are seated in two different rows. Then 96, who among the following faces P? Yes, tell me who is facing P here? E, that is choice 5. Then 97, 4 of the following is nothing but an odd man out, E and S. E's opposite immediate right is S, D and Q. And D and Q, B and R, B's opposite immediate right is R, C's opposite immediate right is T, A's opposite immediate right is P. Choice 2 is the answer, D and Q. Then 98, who among the following is seated exactly between P and R? As tell me who is that person? S. Now, this S, the person who faces B, choice 2. Then 99, which of the following, 99, which of the following is true regarding A? Immediate neighbors of E faces T, false. E is an immediate neighbor of C, that is again false. E faces the one who is seated second to the left of R, that is definitely true. E faces the one who is seated second to the left of R, definitely true, choice 3. 99.3, then 100, who among the following seated the extreme ends of the rows? Extreme ends of the rows, P and D, C and P, B and S, A and T, definitely true, choice 4. Then, now this is about question numbers 96 to 100. Has anything left out in this paper? No number series? Yes. Now, in this paper number 68, now tell me what are the questions here? Question number 66 to 100, out of which how many puzzles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 into 5, 30 questions, 30 puzzles and 5 input and output, isn't it? As done with this?